Hello, my friends. All right, my friends. So in the last video, we actually opened up our pumpkin and we explored our pumpkin. We found that it's actually hard, that it's actually slimy inside, that it's actually rough and bumpy on the outside. It does have a smell. And we also found out that there was seeds inside of our pumpkin. That was really cool. All right, my friends, for this activity, you do not need the lid. So go ahead and take your lid and put it into a safe place. I'm going to put mine into a bowl. And then you're going to take your pumpkin and put it on your pumpkin bubble art. Go get this paper. It's in your communication folder. And you're going to put it right in the center, just like that. This is like a little mat. I highly suggest you guys putting it on your trays as well. Put your trays underneath. All right, my friends. So for this activity, you're going to need some water. And because I'm in my classroom, the water is way over there, so I just have it here. You're going to need some dish soap or some hand soap. And then you're going to need food coloring. You can pick whatever color you want. This does not matter what color you pick. And then you need your straw that I have given you. If you notice, I gave you a straw, a small or a short straw, because we have small pumpkins. If you were to do this with a bigger pumpkin, you would need a bigger, taller straw. So the first thing we're going to do is put a little bit of water. You don't need a lot of water, just a little bit of water inside of your pumpkin. You don't need a lot. And then you're going to take your soap and put your soap inside of the pumpkin. I know, it sounds weird. You're like, what are we doing, Miss Wiggins? All right. And then put a little bit of more water in there. And every pumpkin is different, so we'll have to fill it out. And then I think just because red is on top, I'm going to go ahead and do some red. Now remember, this is food coloring or food dye, and this gets on your clothes, so be very careful with this, all right? Mommies and daddies might let you try it. If not, they might do it themselves. Put a couple of colors of food dye in there. Now this is what's really important, is that we're going to be blowing, which means blow it at the pumpkin. If you drink it, it's going to go in your mouth and you're going to drink soap. That's yucky. You do not want to do that. We are blowing. We are going to make bubbles. So go ahead and stir it up just like that. Put it right back in the middle. And what you're going to do is you're going to blow the straw, blow to make bubbles. And when the bubbles come out, it's going to bubble over. And yes, you're going to get this on your face. Yes, you will. So after you're done, make sure you go wash your face off because it is soap. But this is so much fun. This is going to take a lot of hot air too. So you got to get blowing. So this is what you're going to do is you're going to blow. Don't drink. Yuck. No drinking. Blow. Do you see it? Is that not the coolest thing ever? So blow, and we want the bubbles to go onto our paper and then pop. Look at that. Isn't that the coolest? Oh my gosh. Look at that, my friends. And then what happens is you can take your straw and you can put it onto the paper just like this. And then as it pops, you're going to see the bubbles popping. This is how come I told you needed your tray, is that you will see them popping onto your paper. Pop. And just like that, you just did bubble art. Isn't that just the coolest? And you can do it, of course, over and over. And this is how come do not use a lot of water. If you use a lot, then the paper gets really soaked and you don't really see the bubbles. All right, my friends? All right, I hope you have fun with this. When you are done, throw your straw away. If you ever need a new one with an activity, I'll always give you a new one. But you can just blow. Isn't that just the funnest? It's so fun. And you can see bubbles inside of bubbles inside of bubbles. Now just remember, when you're blowing the bubbles, they might pop and go into your eyes. Be very careful, okay? Ah, it touched my nose and it popped. Isn't that just the neatest? All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this activity. I know I do every single year. I get to be a kid. It's so much fun. All right, my friends, so now we are done with this activity. I want you to throw your straw away. The trash can's over there, and I still need to talk to you, so I'm not going to do it. But you're going to throw your straw away, and then you're going to clean your pumpkin, because we're going to do another activity in a different video. So take it to the sink and clean it out. Rinse out all the water and the soap and the dye, and then let it dry out a little bit, and then watch the next video so you can do the next activity. We're actually just going to decorate it is what we're going to do in order to put it out for Halloween. All right, my friends, or for harvest or fall, whichever you want it out for. We'll see you later. Bye.